Hey, good morning, good morning. Good morning. We are live. Sorry I'm a little bit late. Getting a little sidetracked here this morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Jag, good morning. Timbo, Dean Bishop, good morning. R5 Studios, Steven, Sam, Owen, Hubert, good morning. Yogi Bark, good morning. Johnny Trader, Crypto Calls, RH, good morning. Trading Ever After, good morning. Future Man, Johnny Trader, Ronnie B, Mr. Wall Street, Dean Bishop, Future Man, Best Guess Trading, Mr. Wall Street. Good, Mr. Wall Street. I was stuck on the toilet. That was actually the truth. That's actually, you called it. That's actually where I was. Good morning, Fed. Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Future Man. John, hey, good morning, John. When you gotta go, you gotta go. I don't know what to tell you guys, you know. Good morning, Golf Guy Mike. Tanush, Trading in the City. I Guy Now Trader. Mr. Wall Street. All right, boys, we are here and we are live. All right, let's just rip that Band-Aid off and get this over with. Yeah, we did it. I had to spend a little bit of time in the tilt corner in the overnight session. I went a little bit off the rails in the overnight session. I was pretty frustrated. I ain't gonna lie, I was pretty mad. Man, oh man, did I get absolutely destroyed on this account. So yeah, if you want to know how to lose $11,000 in the overnight sessions, this is how you should. If you take your notepad out, take your pens out, and if you want to know how to lose $11,500 in the overnight session, take note. I'll explain to you how to do it. Are you guys ready? So the first thing you want to do is right here. You want to go short at the VWAP right here. Okay, that's the first thing you want to do. And then you want to get stopped out right here. I think, yeah, I got stopped out here. Well, and I should have flipped my bias at that point, and I didn't. And then I went short. I went short right here. I'm still not sure why I went short here. Got stopped out again, and I got up. Then I was sleeping, thankfully. And then this morning I woke up at 5 o'clock, somewhere right in here. This little thing right here went short, got stopped out. Then finally I went long right here somewhere. It was an absolute disaster. I mean, I could not have traded I literally did exactly what you shouldn't do. And somewhere in here, I went from trading 2 minis. So I went from trading 2 minis and then I sized up, and in the end, I was trading 6 minis. So it was not good. It was not good. But thankfully, it was only that one account. I had already finished trading. It was like, thankfully, that was, actually, no, I'll take that back. We had one other casualty. And it was this account right here. Basically, one of my take profit accounts was, yeah, that, let's not talk about it, but I was upset. And then I switched over to my take profit account, and I forgot to switch it to micros. So I enter a trade, and I was still kind of revenge trading. I enter another trade and I realized I was on minis. Went in with 2 minis instead of 2 micros. And at that point, I just didn't really care. I was too upset. So I just let it go, lost that account. And then in the heat of the moment, I don't like doing this, but I did. I reset the pro account. Went in again with minis, and that's why we have $17.50 in profit on this account. So anyway, we went into we sat in the tilt chair for about a half hour, did some self-meditation, and we got it out of our system. I feel fine. Everything's fine. It's kind of like that meme where everything is on fire and it's like, I'm fine. Everything's fine. So definitely not a good overnight session. I mean, I'm thankful that it didn't affect more accounts. I knew that it was a chance that I kind of knew there was a chance of this account going this direction when I started trading minis. It's just, I've done it in the past and it seems like, I don't know why. I think I have to just reframe my mind. When I'm trading micros, those smaller losses don't really affect me. And I can handle like a $200, $300 loss and it doesn't bother me. Like, it doesn't bother me to take a loss, but for some reason, excuse me. But for some reason, when I'm trading minis and I start to have a $1,200 loss, it's so much harder for me to cut that loss. So even though, like, if you look at it in, like, if 2 micros, a big loss is $300, or 4 micros. So if 4 micros is a $300 loss is a big loss on 4 micros, which I'm okay with. Like, I'm okay with accepting that loss for some reason. Like, that doesn't bother me. But then if I switch to 1 to 2 minis, like, its relative $1,200 to $1,500 loss is relatively the same when you look at the scale and the size of it. And yet when I get into that $1,200, $1,500 loss, I just have a difficult time walking away. And that's what happened. I wasn't willing to walk away on that after that first loss. I went in with 2 minis. I got stopped out. Really, there was nothing wrong with getting stopped out where I got stopped out. It was like a $1,400 loss, and really should have just been okay with it. And I wasn't. I was not okay with it. And I kept trading. And here we are. Yeah, it's like I come pot committed and I don't, like, I need to I don't know. My brain isn't prepared, or my brain is not mentally ready to trade that size. That's my conclusion, which is okay. You know, it's okay. We learn a couple things along the way. All in all, not terrible. 29K down. Glad you can take a loss. Oh, yeah, I know, right? Anyway, grand scheme of things, we finally this morning, I got my other take profit account. I had to reach out to support, and they finally created the take profit account that was supposed to be created yesterday. So we officially have 5 take profit pro accounts, and I need about $250 more on this account. Basically, I'm going to focus on getting all of my 50K accounts to that $2,000 threshold. Like, that's going to be my number one priority, is getting to that threshold first. Once I'm at that threshold, then I'm going to copy trade those 4 take profit trader accounts together. Until then, I'm just going to trade. Basically, this morning, we're going to trade this account here, I believe. Haven't fully decided, I guess. I guess we'll find out. But on the 150K accounts, I only need one more day. Actually, I could flip tomorrow. I could flip tomorrow and then request a $1,000 payout or $1,200 payout. Something like that per account. All right, guys. Anyway, that concludes my overnight session. Pretty fun. Not so much. Yeah, large losses mess with my head. I feel like I need to stop doing it because not only does it mess with my head, but then it trickles over into my other trading. At least I mean, that definitely is what happened this morning with my take profit account. So anyway, we incurred a little bit of additional expenses this morning, and is what it is. Onwards and upwards, folks. It is what it is. Beverly Hills, every day is Friday here. I'm a little hungover. Ethan Willhouse. Go take some eat some raw eggs. That'll help. Hey, Red Poker, are you volunteering to be the trader of the day? So, by the way, do we want to, I was going to see, let me look. I think, man, I wish they made a way. Actually, you know what? We can do this. All right, guys. Here, I'm going to show you guys this. Man, I got to make sure. I don't want to. I wish you could hide my login information here. I want to do the withdrawal. Actually, today, I don't think we're going to do a chat trade today because we're going to request a payout. Your guys' first payout today. Let's go. Market kind of trying to make a move higher here. I'm not mentally ready to trade yet, so. Hate Fridays means no trading for a day. Yeah, that's true, John. I do too. Oh, John, it's so true. All right, here we go. Trying to push above that 440 area. Interesting. Man, I need to I'm trying to figure out a way. Hang on. Trying to figure out a way that I can. Wow, look at that. Ripping above the 440s now. There she goes. All right, hey, good morning, Ace Undercover. And I just realized I need to get the clock up there. Oh, Nate, never mind. The clock is up. Also, a little bit of an update on the current promotions. So Tradeify's new promotion, 30% off all accounts, all sizes. But if you're a first-time purchaser, you get 40% off. All right, anyway, give me a minute, guys. I'm going to try to figure out how can I do this. Is there a way? Hang on, hang on, hang on. I'm going to try and figure out a way here. This should not be this hard. Oh, man. Hey, that would be you, John. Hey, if you want to try them out, try them. Now's a good time to try them out. If not, that's okay. All right, market. What are we doing here? Man, what a crazy move lower we had here. We went up, tested the 500s, and then we pulled back all the way down to the 310s. Pretty crazy overnight session. There was definitely not a lack of volatility. Not a lack of volatility. Right now, we're just waiting. I'm not interested in... I'm going to be pretty cautious today. I'm going to be pretty cautious today with my trading. Definitely that overnight session kind of got me. And I don't want the overnight session to trickle into today. I think I'm going to focus on trading the fresh take profit account, and that's the only account we're going to trade today. And something terrible happens with that, we can deal with that. But just no need to go too crazy here. All right, I think we're going to do this. Fido, oh my gosh, guys, oh my God. Before we go any further, we need to talk. We need to have a conversation. Yeah, we do. We need to talk. I feel like we've got a snitch among ourselves, and we are going to have to find out who it is. Remember yesterday when we were trading my funded future account, when I was trading my competition account, and I was revealing a little bit too much information maybe. And one of you guys, I think it was Mr. Wall Street, you mentioned that, hey, you know, that guy might, so I was trying to get to 4th place, right? On the March, the My Funded Futures March competition, I was trying to get to 4th place because the difference, 5th place gets paid $7.50, 4th place gets paid $12.50. And if you remember, I was talking about how I'm about $2,200 in profit. Well, Mr. Wall Street had an idea that, hey, maybe I shouldn't share that information because the guy that's right behind me that's trying to secure 4th place, he might be listening. And I'm giving him some valuable information. Well, let's just look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the final standings for the competition. Look at it. Look at us. We did it. 5th place. But unfortunately, the guy in 4th place, look at this. I call BS. I want a recount. I call BS. He beat me by $72. $72 out of $51,000 in profit. He beats me by $72. I don't know, man. I'm calling BS on that one. Who was it? Fess up, fellas. That actually that actually made me a little salty. That actually kind of got my attention. I kept refreshing the page when the competition ended, and it didn't update until like 9 o'clock. And I'm like, okay. And then I see I'm 5th place, and I would rather have lost by like a couple hundred, but yeah, $72 was the difference between $7.50 in cash and $12.50 in cash. So close, but it's okay. We had fun. It was a good run. It was a good run. Not complaining, but that did kind of irritate me a little bit. What are the chances that guy beats me by $72? Oh, yay. Anyway, so $750 gets added to the payout. I'm gonna count that as a payout, even though it's kind of technically a prize, but we're gonna consider it all the same. It's my officially first payout from my funded futures. I mean, this is what's funny. I can place fifth place out of 4,500 contestants, but I can't for the life of me pass one of their evals. Go figure that one out, fellas. Go figure that one out. Yeah, I'm sure you would admit it, Mr. Wall Street. Ace undercover. I confess it was John. Oh dear. I bet he was he probably refreshed his page and he's like, oh my gosh, I got him by $72. Get wrecked. Oh, there is news. Sorry. I am not focused on these markets one bit. I'm not mentally ready yet to trade, if I'm just going to be honest. So be aware. Right now there is nothing to trade either. So we do have news in 2 minutes. News in 2 minutes. Good morning, Amelia Stitcher. How we doing? You're awesome. Good morning. Best guest trading. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys all had a great overnight session. Hopefully it was better than mine. Actually, overall, I'm not that upset. If I had to choose an account to lose, if I had to choose one, I probably would have chosen that one because it was going to be a go big or go home kind of account. I'm still, you're too relaxed after that. I'm very relaxed, John. Oh, you know what I need? Actually, nah. I already had my Nutty Bar, but it was earlier this morning. I could really go for another Nutty Bar, but I'm trying to keep it to one Nutty Bar a day. I had a bowl movement. Hey, we do not hold any misspellings or typos that John has. He has automatic, how would I call it? We don't talk about it. John just automatically, when John types something, we assume there's a typo. So we don't talk about it. And if there isn't a typo, then we just count it a blessing. Yeah, you said I had a bowl movement. I love it. That would be, I don't know, that would be kind of painful, I think. Having a bowl movement. And the news came out. Guess what? We're going up and down. News flash. Breaking news. Market goes up and down. It's crazy. Hey, you just made 160 ticks in profit on the news instantly? You are awesome. Let's go. Hey, Diego, how we doing? Ripping and dipping. Bowl moving is perfect. Where you were sitting on a bowl. That is one way to look at it. That is one way to look at it. Oh, man. Crazy day. It's already been a crazy day. Oh, yes. We were going to do take profit trader withdrawal. Trying to figure out how I can do it without revealing my account information. They should have a private mode in available here. Can I? Wow, we are selling off, pulling back here, retesting the 340s here. The low of day right now is down here at the 280s, so it definitely we're seeing volatility here this morning. Be careful. All right. Maybe. Haha. I figured a way out to do it. Don't judge me. Okay, I figured a way out to do it, guys. Here we go. Here we go. I just zoomed in enough till it flopped the important stuff. All right, guys. This is for you. In the chat, $525 on this take profit trader account. We are going to request 525. All right, which means the amount that we will get is 418.40. Sound fair? Everybody okay with that? And then we'll take this 418.40. I'll need to do the pay. This will probably not get approved until tomorrow, I'll be honest, the way the approvals have been going. So once that comes in, then we will do a giveaway, and then we'll try. I'm going to do my homework, find the people that actually took the trades, and I'll make sure that they will actually get a portion of the giveaway. But then the rest of the giveaway will be just to you guys, whoever's in here. All right, here we go. Send request. And there you go. Your withdrawal process is in progress. The amount include da. There you go. We did it. You guys did it. Love to see it. Let's go. Now we just wait till it's approved. And then I'll also, I'll ask you guys to help me pay my taxes. If that's okay. I think, you know. Just kidding. Oh, currently taking donations. Currently taking donations or accepting donations to help pay my taxes. Just kidding. Can you pass take profit trader in one day? Unfortunately, you cannot. There is a 50% consistency rule, and you also have to trade it for 5 days. 5 days, not 6, 5. But yeah, you can pass in 2 days and then flip the other 3 days, technically. You know, excuse me. Oh my goodness. You know what I just realized? I think I have enough credits. I do. I have enough credits to do a 50K test account. Feel like I should do that. Red poker. What's the biggest payout you have taken out of Take Profit Trader? I took 3,300 out last week, I believe it was, something like that. Can you withdraw from the buffer amount, FTH? Technically, you can, if you close the account. So if you close the account, then you can take 50% of the buffer. But I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess you could. The only time I feel like that would make sense is to do it on a 150K account. But man, since Take Profit Trader has taken away the daily loss limit as a hard breach, or just, I mean, they removed it completely. I feel like the 150Ks are just not that good. Like I love the 50Ks. Honestly, the 50Ks are probably one of my favorite accounts right now. 50K Take Profit Trader accounts are pretty legit. I should count my free accounts in my expenses. I ain't doing that. You know how you earn free accounts with Take Profit Trade? Okay, so never mind. Let me rephrase. So the way that Take Profit Trader does, so I think I can show this. Yeah. So look at this. So if you're familiar with Take Profit Trader, basically anytime you spend money, if you spend money with them, you get a credit. Once you've accumulated enough credits, you can see here. I mean, maybe if you guys don't know this, then obviously go to your account and go down to your credit bank, and then you can see you can buy things with your credit. So I just unlocked a test account. So I had 5,859 points. Now that is only achieved through purchasing accounts. So it's not given to, that's not something that's only for affiliates. That's something that's for everyone. But as an affiliate, there are perks then, and that's what I've been sharing with you guys is, okay, actually this is a good, so today's April 1st. So at the beginning of every month, Take Profit Trader kind of resets you as an affiliate. So at the beginning of every month, you get reset as an affiliate, and then they give you an agenda. I think you need to, I'm not even sure the exact dollar amount. I don't know. Do they say somewhere? Let me look. Let me see. Oh, right here. They do say. So you are bronze. $25. So they have like different levels. Like at the bronze level, you get 10% commission, and then one, but it doesn't say. Oh, 5,000. So basically, you would need to. How would I? So here we'll do the math. I'll do the math for you guys. So it would be 5,000 times 10%. Yeah. So once I've earned $500, then you move to the next tier, and then you need to earn $1,000. So basically $1,500. That's what it would be. So once I've earned $1,500 in commission for the month, then they will give you 2 free 50K test accounts. Which once we get those, if I can pass them, we'll just, we'll add it to our arsenal. And we are about to make new lows on the day. Apex taking forever to review? Oh, really? I mean, mine took 3 days, I think. I always expect it'll take like 2 to 4 days. Kind of what I expect usually. I thought you can only have 5 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. Yes, you can, Frozen North. That is true. I'm just saying, like, as a backup. We would pass them, and then we would just have them as a backup. All right, market. Let's see if we make new lows down at this 283 level. All right, let's get a game plan together for today. We need to talk. I need to do my market analysis. Give me a minute. Oh, the daily chart was kind of interesting. Like this daily chart, this candle, how we closed yesterday, definitely makes me think we're going to see a move back higher, but you just never know in today's market. All right, here we go. We're about to test those overnight lows at the 290s. Let's hold on here. 15-minute chart. I mean, the level that I have right now is the 260s. 265 is the level that I'm interested in. When you get the test account, do you still pay the activation fee? Yes. So one thing, if you get test accounts, or if you get basically if you take a 50K account and you use your credits to buy that account, if you use your credits to buy that account, then you will have to pay the activation fee. So, unfortunately, did you just withdraw from a 50K or a 150K? That was from a 50K account. That's what we withdrew was from this account right here. That is a 50K account. Yeah, thank you, Mikey. We did place 5th place in the competition. Yay. Honestly, I didn't really take the trade, like, I didn't take it that seriously until like the last week. Like the final week, then I was like, wait, I might actually be able to place, I might be able to place in the money here. So then I tried a little bit harder. Also on the take profit, wait, when on the on my Tradeify account, man, how many days traded do I need? I just realized that with the payout, their payout window is the 1st through the 4th. Am I going to be able to request? I think. Okay, I've traded 7 days. So I need to trade 3 more days after today. 1, 2, 3. So I can request on the 4th. Oh, let's go. So I will be able to request if I don't, I still need to make about $700. Yes, Mike, we got 5th place out of 4,500. That is correct. Follow Wednesday request with Apex approval Thursday. Money hit the bank account today. Nice. Let's go, Ed Trades. Nicely done. Hey, good morning, Ben B. All right, getting a bounce off the 290s. Oh, man, I almost spilled coffee. I want to wait. I want to see how we react off of these lows. Depending how we react, if we bounce, make a good move above the 15-minute range here, then I'm going to look for some longs here off the bottom. If not, if we start going down below the 280s, then I'm going to look for a short. We're going to be trading only one account. It's going to be this fresh. We're going to be trading this fresh 50K account. The way I kind of started trading the take profit trader accounts, the pro accounts, is I go kind of aggressive in the beginning just to try to get it at, try to get it to that 2K buffer. Once I'm at the buffer, then I really slow down and just look for small base hits every day. Unless I go on tilt and decide to trade minis. Like I did this morning. Then it's different. Seven. All right, here we go. Time to pay attention here. It's tempting here to do a breakout trade, but we're a little bit past the prime time to do a breakout. How did I lose 11,000? It was very difficult. Actually, no, I'm not gonna lie. It was actually quite easy. It wasn't hard at all. I'm very talented that way. No, I just continue to take losing trades and then I continue to size up. That's how. Hey, let's go, Rad Poker. Up 3,100 on your 250K account. Man, we really should have you be the chat trader today, Rad Poker. Yeah, Ace Undercover. I do feel like this is looking pretty weak. Looking pretty weak. Thank you, No Profit. Thank you. And there we go, making new lows. Now we wait, see if this is going to trap or is this going to continue to sell off here. If we sell off, we have a pivot point down here at the 19,112s. 19,112s, and then, I mean, then we have the 19,000 level. Man, oh. Should have just taken that break of low there, but let's wait and see what happens off of this 260s. It's looking very heavy, looking very bearish. Oh my gosh, I just saw a tweet that made me LOL. Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods just... Tiger Woods, you troll. You absolute troll. Tiger Woods just tweets, I can't believe I am saying this, but a few weeks after rupturing my left Achilles, the sleep in hyperbaric chamber plus the explosive lifts, my doctors and trainers have me ready to play the Masters next week. Can't wait. See you all on course. And therefore, about a 3-second time frame, like 3 seconds, I was like, oh my gosh. And then I realized what day it is. You hate to see it. You got me. You got me. You got me, man. But you know what other April Fools really got me? You know, the other April Fools... Whoa. Hold on, folks. Hold on. Let's wait. I got pause. Everybody pause. Looks like we have a trap here, and... see if we can jump in here or not. Don't be a fake out. Don't trap the longs now, whatever you do. Don't do it. Got in a little bit early here, but hoping it's okay. Okay, now I can show you what other tweet got me. This tweet got me good. Got me good this morning. So do you guys know what Kinfo is? So Kinfo is a service, like a service where they verify traders and they verify the dollar amount, and basically it's a way to verify your payouts and that you're legitimate. And Kinfo went and posted this. Kinfo went and posted this today. It's like, there is a new daddy in town. Respect to ICT for proving everyone wrong. And they made him the top trader. 90 92